In this tutorial, we'll explain how to use the Any entity. This special entity allows you to send individual tables or CDS views with selected fields instead of an entire data model. The creation process for this entity is similar to a standard one, so this tutorial assumes you have already reviewed the tutorial, how to create and configure an entity manually. First, in the SAP Data Modeler, click on Create. In the field entity, type the name, Any. Next, in the field Tag 1, click on the match code. From the displayed list, select the domain Any and double-click it. Keep in mind this domain is exclusively for Any entities. Do not use it when creating a standard entity. After setting Tag 1, go to Type of Data and select the type of data the Any entity will send. To help identify the entity and its purpose, add a description indicating that this entity is used for sending any type of table or CDS view. Finally, in number of records type 100. To finish the configuration, click on Save Customizing. Now that the Any entity is created, let's review how to execute and work with it. The execution process is similar to other entities, but with some key differences. First, double-click the Any entity. And then, click on Execute. In the next section, select the output type and the endpoint connection. For this entity, the only available output format is Send by Table. As an additional step when executing this entity, fill in the table name field with the name of the table or CDS view you want to send. In this example, we'll use the table VBAK. Type the name of the table and click on Execute. On the next screen, configure the fields and aliases you want to send from the selected table. First, choose the alias for this table. If the table is already used elsewhere, that table alias will be set as the default. To choose which fields to send, mark the checkbox in the Include JSON column. To change the alias of a specific field, click its value in the Field Alias column and enter the new alias. After finishing your selection and customization, click on Execute. After that, just simply follow the execution process as normal. This process was reviewed in detail in the tutorial, Executing an Entity in Batch Mode. Configure your criteria for the batch execution and click on Save. After that, select the desired execution mode, online or background. At the end of the process, an execution log will appear summarizing the information that was sent.